Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will make a perfect moist banana bread. So how to make it, we'll just follow the instruction. 4 pieces ripe banana. You just use your fork to smash it until it's all smashed. Then add 1.5 cup of brown sugar. I'm always using brown sugar when I'm doing banana cake. And if you want to less the sugar, it's up to you. So mix it well. Add the unsalted butter. It's 225 grams. It's 1 pack in a room temperature. It should be soft butter so that it's easy for you to dissolve it on the mixture. After you mixing it, add the 5 pieces of eggs. And mix it well until no lumps are remaining. Then add 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence. And add 1 cup of cake flour. You need to use your strainer to sieve the flour. And your 1 cup of all-purpose flour. And 2 teaspoons of baking soda. And mix it well until it's no lumps remaining. And you can use a whisk or a hand mixer for this one, but don't overmix the mixture. And I add a half tablespoon of lime juice. You can use lemon if you have, so that it will not, the color of your banana bread is perfect brown, not like black. Then transfer the butter into a low pan. It's great with butter or either olive oil. So once you done this one, you bake this for 60 minutes or 1 hour at 350 degrees Celsius. So it's turning brown now. So here's the banana, perfect brown, and it's very soft. No need for me to put knife on the edge of the banana, but it's easy to come out with the low pan you're using, and let it cool. Once it's cool, then we can cut this one. So we need to cut this one. As you can see, when you're cutting this one, is very soft, moist banana bread you have. So hope you like this recipe and you can try this at home. Thank you for watching, guys, and don't forget to hit likes, leave comments down, and if you have any other questions, just comment down. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.